In this video, I will give you tips and tricks for Last War survival game. First, hero management. Focus on a few powerful heroes. Prioritize upgrading a select group of strong heroes to maximize your team's effectiveness. This approach lets you allocate resources for the most impactful upgrades and skill enhancements, rather than spreading them thin across many heroes. Second, strategic stamina use. Utilize stamina wisely during special events. During limited time events, use your stamina strategically to target high reward objectives. This ensures you get the best return on stamina, especially in events with enhanced loot or bonuses. Third, VIP activation. Activate VIP status as early as possible. VIP perks can significantly boost your resource production, troop limits, and other benefits, making it essential to activate them early to get the maximum advantage over time. Fourth, consistent upgrades. Regularly upgrade buildings and heroes. This ensures you stay competitive in both PvE and PvP. Falling behind on upgrades can limit your progression, making it crucial to keep up with the pace of in-game challenges. Fifth, warehouse importance. Upgrade warehouses for resource protection. Warehouses shield your resources from raids, which helps you retain enough materials for continuous upgrades and troop building, even after attacks. Sixth, event calendar awareness. Plan around event calendars. Events often offer bonus rewards for upgrades and battles. By aligning your upgrades with these events, you can maximize gains from daily challenges and seasonal events. Seventh, alliance engagement. Participate in alliance events. Alliance events provide vital resources and boosts, fostering a community of teamwork and strategy. Joining forces with your alliance can help you progress faster while enjoying valuable in-game rewards. These strategies will help you progress faster and stay ahead in Last Survival, making the most of your resources and efforts.